Hey there, Money Masters. Are you ready to conquer the financial world? Well, if you want to stay ahead of the curve, then stick with me because today we're diving into the latest money moves, expert investing insights, and smart budgeting tips that will have you raking in the dough like a true money master. So let's dive in and get those greenbacks multiplying. All right, Money Masters, it's time to put your knowledge to the test. Take a look at these four statements and tell me which one is a big fat lie. The price of gold has increased by 10% in the last year. The Nasdaq index is down by 5% this year. Bitcoin has seen a 30% surge in value, and Netflix stock has plummeted by 25% in the last 6 months. Now don't worry, I'll tell you the answer right after this. Just pause the video to make your guess. Ready? The lie is that Netflix stock has plummeted by 25% in the last 6 months. Everything else is true. So keep those eyes peeled and those brains engaged, money masters. You never know what financial surprises are lurking around the corner. Let's talk about everybody's favorite, the stock market. It's like a roller coaster, but instead of dropping you off at the end of the ride, it drops you off at the bottom of your investment portfolio. Just kidding. Maybe not. But seriously, the stock market can be a wild ride, but if you know where to look, you can find some real gems, like gold, for instance. It's up 10% in the last year, which means if you had invested $1,000 a year ago, you'd be sitting pretty with an extra $100 in your pocket. Not bad, and the Nasdaq is also looking pretty good. Even though it's down 5% this year, it's still within striking distance of its all-time high. If you're feeling bold, you could try shorting it just below its current position and then wait for it to bounce back up. Just be careful because the market can be unpredictable and you don't want to get caught holding the bag. All right, shifting gears to crypto, Bitcoin is on fire, up 30% this year. If you're a fan of the digital currency, you could go long on Bitcoin and target a price increase of 35% or more. But hey, remember to always do your research and invest responsibly. Don't throw all your money at something just because it's hot. And finally, we got Netflix. It's been a rough year for the streaming giant, but it's still got potential for growth. Their stock is down 38% since January, which means it could be a good time to buy in before it bounces back. Plus, they're still the king of content with over 200 million subscribers worldwide, so don't count them out just yet. So whether you're a seasoned investor or a rookie looking to make your first big score, there's something for everyone in today's market. Just remember to do your homework, diversify your portfolio, and invest wisely. Who knows, you might just be the next Warren Buffett. Now let's move on to our next tip. You ever feel like you're drowning in credit card debt? Don't worry, you're not alone. In fact, the average American carries a whopping $5,700 of credit card debt. But hey, that's just an average. We know you're better than average, right? So why not show us how much debt you're rocking? Just kidding. We don't actually need numbers to know that you're doing great. What we really want to hear about is how you plan to tackle that debt and become debt-free. We know you've got the power to do it, so share your progress, struggles, and triumphs with us. Let's motivate each other to crush that debt and achieve financial freedom together. Post your journey in the comments and let's see who can become debt-free first. The clock is ticking. And remember, your financial story is your superpower. Share it with us, and let's change the world together. And that's a wrap for today, Money Masters. We hope you're feeling inspired to take charge of your finances and become the money master of your own destiny. Remember, the stock market is a powerful tool, but it's not without its risks. Do your research, diversify your portfolio, and invest wisely. And hey, don't forget to join the conversation in the comments. We want to hear about your journey to financial freedom. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.